Iran's Supreme Court has upheld the death sentence of Mohammad Ghabadlou, a young man who was active in anti-government protests in Tehran in late September 2022. Like other protesters facing execution, his case is marked by serious doubts about evidence and due process. Ghabadlou is accused of fatally striking a police officer with his car, but a hospital report specifies that the officer died of a strike to the brain and skull fracture, not bodily injuries consistent with a car crash, as noted in the police report. At the officer's funeral, a speaker indicated the officer had been isolated and beaten by protesters.
آخه اینجا محل شهادت فرید بوده. آخه اینجا دورش کردند. اینجا نامردا زدنش، دیدن تک و تنهاست، قریب گیر آوردنش.
Moreover, at his original trial, Ghabadlou had no access to a lawyer, and doubts about his mental fitness to stand trial were overlooked by the court. Ghabadlou also faces capital security charges for the same alleged act.
This ruling comes after Iran arbitrarily executed 3 protesters in Isfahan, and while scores of lawyers are being prosecuted for taking up cases like Ghabadlou's. It is time for countries that have allowed Iran to sit for over 3 decades on a UN commission providing expertise on the fairness of justice systems to hold Iran's leaders accountable for a justice system that lacks the minimum standards of fairness and decency. Stop Ghabadlou's execution.